Hi there, students. If push comes to shove, or when push comes to shove, this is a black American idiom from the 19th century. It means if a situation becomes so difficult that drastic, strong action is needed, then you can do something else. Our car keeps breaking down and we need to go to London. Look, let's take the car, and if push comes to shove, we can always walk the rest of the way or hitchhike. So if the car breaks down and we just can't repair it, if the situation gets dire, then we can walk or hitchhike. My mum gets angry and shouts a lot, but when push comes to shove, she doesn't do anything. Yeah, it's all just hot air. I may have to sell my car. I really don't want to, but if push comes to shove, I can sell it so that we could pay the rent or buy food. If push comes to shove, we could always try borrowing money from the bank or even from your uncle. Yeah, I know we don't want to, but if push comes to shove, we may be forced to do it. So, as a last resort, if things get so difficult, a more drastic solution. So, this phrase, push comes to shove, gives the idea of escalation. A push is reasonably gentle. Yeah, he pushed me. But a shove is much, much harder, is a very hard push. He shoved me and I fell to the ground. Okay, so to shove is a very, very strong push. So if the problem is pushing, that's normal. If the problem shoves, if it really starts to hurt, then you can do something else. So yes, it's considerably worse. As a situation gets radically more serious, you need to find more and more serious or more drastic solutions to your problem. So, for example, when push comes to shove, governments normally call in the army. Yeah, call in the army. It's a great solution. So if when push comes to shove, we can always do this. So as a last resort, when the situation gets to the point where something has to be done and we have to take drastic action. Okay, next question. What about formality? Well, I think I would probably give this a 4 in formality. It's a fairly informal phrase. You can use it in an informal conversation. You could use it maybe in an informal writing, maybe even semi-formal. But for something more formal, as a last resort, if the situation gets dire, yeah. And then what about the origin? I've read at least 2 different origins. One say it comes from rugby, where you're allowed to push your opposition, but you're not really allowed to shove them. Or of a 19th century Afro-Caribbean American phrase. Okay, so if push comes to shove, if the situation gets dire, if they don't understand you, if push comes to shove, you could always use Google Translate. No, not a very good solution. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now, if push comes to shove.